Hi friend, welcome back. Hey, in this video we're going to make a stain stick. So this is the cute little spot stain remover that I got with my Thieves laundry caddy from Young Living, and I love it. I love that it's slim in design. I probably will actually take this to work with me, but let me show you the one that I've been using in my laundry room itself. Actually, I've taken it apart in preparation, but it's this monster of a roll-on. In fact, when I got this originally, I had to look up like roll-on deodorant. Basically is what it is used for a lot of the times. It is also glass, which is highly important, but I guess when my family makes a spot or a stain, it's not this size. It's monster size. So anyway, just know that you can use this one as well. So I'll share my recipe. It's a very easy recipe. It will work for either one. So what do you need? You are going to need a container, and you're going to need some water. You're also going to need to use Thieves household cleaner. And then you're also going to need, what I use is I use Digest. So the reason why I use Digest is this is an oil that helps break things down, typically within your stomach system. So think of it as a digestive oil. So if you think like with my husband, he works on machines and he works into all kinds of grease and oils and stuff like that. My kids used to get a lot of grass stains. Yeah, that type of thing. Usually with me, it's all food, right? I'm always spilling on myself. So hence the reason why we need the big stain stick. But anyway, long story short, Digest helps break those things down. So that's why I add the Digest as well. You could always add more Thieves. You could add lemon. You could add purification, lemongrass, just to name a few. All right. So very easily, it's half and half. The recipe is so simple. So I'm going to show you how I make it in here. I'm going to use the smaller funnel because I have to go find my itty bitty little funnel for this one. And so it's just really half and half. So I'm going to be able to look at it. I've got a light shining here. So I'm going to pour half Thieves up to, it's right there, right about the half. I'm going to add about 10 drops of Digest for this size. I'm not going to use that much Digest in my little one. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! And always an extra one. If you watch any of my videos, there's always going to be like an extra drop that goes in, right? And then really just you fill up the rest with water. That's it. It's a very easy, simple recipe. I do like it, and yes, it works. That's why I'm refilling all the way to the tippy top, of course. Gosh. Yep, that's just me. So luckily for me, this is not the type of roller bottle that goes down too much into it. It screws on top. Yay for me. All right. It does pop on top a little bit. So basically you can kind of see it right there at the top. I went all the way there. So if this were my get it going, yeah, so you can see right there, and it does kind of take a little rub, at least with this particular one. Smells so good. And yeah, it does smell a little bit like Digest. So if you do not like the smell of Digest, I would highly recommend that maybe you would use lemon purification. But honestly, you're not putting it on you. You're going to rub it on your clothes or wherever your stain is. Now, if you have one of those really hard set-in stains, maybe it's one of those ones that your kids kind of tucked away in the laundry basket and you didn't know about till you pulled out the laundry, feel free to let it sit there for at least an hour as the oils are doing their job and they're breaking down that stain, right? And then go ahead and wash it after that. The other thing that you can do instead of doing it on a roll-on is you can always definitely put it in a spray bottle. And I also have one of those. You know, we're just full of stains here. So I have a spray bottle stain stick, and then I also have a roll-on. So, and now I have one that I can take to work with me. All right, hope you enjoyed that tip trick, and it's kind of a hack, so enjoy.